Hi mommies and daddies, my name is Prachi
And my name is Akshay.
and welcome to our channel Prasha's Nest. In this video we will talk about the challenges that new mothers face after having a baby.
And how fathers can help their mates and make their life easy.
Before we get into the video, if you are a new mother or an expecting mommy, we would like to say congratulations because having a kid is such a blessing. Although there are so many challenges you have to face after the delivery.
But if the parents work together, there is nothing that can't be done.
Also, if you're new to our channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the like button if you like our video.
I'm sure मेरी तरह ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जिनको इस बात से फ्रस्ट्रेशन होती है कि वो अपनी वाइफ का माइंड नहीं पढ़ सकते. But this frustration is really bad, especially in the times when your partner needs your help. For example, right after giving birth to a baby. Right after giving birth, mothers need help both emotionally and physically.
Taking care of our newborn 24 hours a day and 7 days a week can be very demanding. And it can get very lonely because there is no one to talk to because the fathers are out in the office and the mothers have to stay back at home to take care of the baby. Nowadays, with work from home, things are a bit easy. So remember, जब आप घर पर हो, she needs your help because raising a baby is not a solo task.
So with this, we'll begin with point number 1.
Love her more than ever. Remember the past 9 months when you gave all the love and affection you had to your wife. Now the times have changed. The attention of yours and the people around you have directly shifted to the baby. Now it's your responsibility to give the extra love and appreciation and affection to your wife. Because after delivery, आपकी वाइफ में इतने ज़्यादा फिजिकल और इमोशनल चेंजेस होते हैं कि आप उसका अंदाज़ा भी नहीं लगा सकते. So how can you do that? Make her sleep in your arms, caress her hair and give her all the love that she is missing after having a baby.
Point number 2 is to cook her favorite meals. So you can cook her favorite meals, for example, a very nice breakfast, or you can completely take over cooking dinner. Make sure that she is eating 3 wholesome meals a day. That includes proteins, fats, veggies, and she is drinking enough water during the day. Because if your wife has chosen to breastfeed the baby, she needs a lot of fluid intake. अगर आप उससे सच्चा प्यार करते हैं तो do not order any junk food or outside food. At this time when she is healing, she needs good home cooked meals.
Point number 3, back massage. Mothers get tired of carrying the baby around for 9 months and उसका सीधा इफेक्ट पड़ता है आपकी बैक पर. And believe me, when I delivered Anisha, after a month or so, I had severe backache because of carrying around Anisha all the time and breastfeeding her in different postures, and it really reflected on my back. But what helped me was a simple back massage by him for like 20-25 minutes. And believe me, new mommies, you are gonna sleep like a baby. It helps you relax and makes you go into deep sleep very easily.
Point number 4. Point number 4 is call upon help. Call your mom or her mom for support. क्योंकि आपके लिए सब कुछ नया है बट आपके पेरेंट्स के लिए नहीं. तो they can really help you around the house with several things that you might not know the answers of. But also don't just think that माँ आ गई है तो सब कुछ ठीक हो गया है. Be sure to check upon her regularly on how she is coping up with all of this. And also it is very important for a man to side with his wife when she is bombarded with numerous tips, tricks, and information from people around you.
Point number 5, sharing the tasks. So daddies, you have no idea how grateful we mothers are if we know that someone is constantly watching our back. Small tasks like burping the baby, cleaning the bottles after baby has fed, preparing the formula, dressing up the baby, handing over whatever she needs, helping her clean the mess that baby has created around you. All these little things will ease up the mother's life and she will never ever feel overburdened. Point number 6, going out. It can get boring to stay at home and taking care of the baby all day and all night.
So the husbands need to make sure that she gets out once in a while, maybe to a fine dining restaurant or getting some manicure or pedicure or whatever she likes to do.
In my case, shopping really helped me. Now in these COVID times, you have to make sure that the places are hygienic and they follow all the COVID protocols.
Point number 7. Point number 7 is talk to her. It seems a very simple advice, but believe me, it is one of the most effective ones. You can talk to her about a lot of things like her health, how she's feeling, how she's coping up with anything, the changes in her life, or any topic that interests her. Appreciate what she is doing and let her know that you are proud of what she is doing. Talking helps a great deal in reducing the risk of postpartum depression. So we used to talk a lot when our baby went to sleep, and it really helped in strengthening our relationship more than ever. It is also okay to let her cry. Remember, these are emotional times. You don't have to fix her thoughts, you just have to comfort her.
Point number 8. Make sure that she gets her me time. Babies cry a lot and they cry all day and they can cry all night because they might have colic problems or whatever the problem is. But my friends, mommies get a little overwhelmed when they see their newborn cry. Like I used to hear her cry in my mind even when she was not. So what he used to do so that I get my me time is that he took Anisha out for the walk in the evenings and I used to do whatever I like. So what I used to do in my me time was I used to watch my favorite Friends sitcom which is available on Netflix.
So one thing to add to all of this, do not criticize her me time. आप उनके ऊपर कोई एहसान नहीं कर रहे उनकी हेल्प करके. So don't get all judgmental on this. If she wants to use her phone or talk to someone or even do nothing, just let it be. Let her do whatever she wants to relax herself. Point number 9. Feed the baby. Feed the baby at nights or in the mornings with the formula or the express milk or whatever is preferable. Remember, no matter how your day was, your wife is always going to have a more difficult day than yours. So when the baby wakes up at night, feed her. And do not sleep like a moron while your wife is feeding your baby. If she is breastfeeding, the least you can do is burp her. Remember that this is a shared responsibility and not her responsibility alone to raise the child. And whatever important things you think you might be doing, it can never match what mothers do. And have fun while you're doing it. So be a man and take care of your baby when you're at home. So in our case, when our baby used to wake up at nights, we used to take turns in feeding her. Simply because she is a very good person. Even today I try to feed 2 meals to my baby, not just because I want to help, but because I like it very much.
So that was it guys, and these were all the tips and tricks that we had for you guys, for new parents and for the expectant parents out there. And if you liked our points and if you have something to add to these points, please let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our channel because we will be posting so many videos after this about parenting and my motherhood journey and his fatherhood journey. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.